All right, hello and welcome to my AI image prompt generator. This is a powerful tool that's allowed me to generate powerful graphics. And if you've been following me on YouTube or Instagram or social media, you'll know that I like to put out some nice graphics. I mean, for example, this graphic was a nice graphic I used by generating a nice prompt within minutes, well, within seconds really, and using a powerful tool such as Freepik.com. So Freepik.com, I'll put the link down below. You'll get the link in the footer area of this page. You go to Freepik.com. This is just a tool I really like. You might have other tools that you like, but the prompt that generates here goes well with that tool. So you can use this tool. It's not free. I mean, you can get some free credits, and there's some other services that are free with this Freepik.com, which is the reason why it's called Freepik.com, because there's a lot of free stuff. But this particular tool here, AI image generation, you might want to consider upgrading because there's a lot of advanced features here. It's powerful. So for example, I was able to create this kind of graphic using my AI prompt generator, this graphic. Now this graphic, I actually overlaid this one. So I actually did kind of a lot of things with this. But it was all done using the AI prompt generator. So I started off creating this particular graphic in here, and then I used a mockup to be able to add that into the mockup and then put that there. And then I overlaid that onto this graphic. And then this graphic was also done in the prompt generator. So yeah, there's a lot of things you can do if you use other tools like Canva and so on. This was also done initially with the prompt generator. Then I added the Live Good product in the foreground. And then I added this, it was a 2D image that it created. And then I put it onto a mock-up of a book. So there's some mock-up generators out there. And so a lot of these were done like that. This one was done with my tool, this one. A lot of these, so many of these were done with this AI image generator. So let me show you what you can do with it. So you can create like a full page digital cover design for a PDF. You can create YouTube thumbnails, blah, 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 banners, header graphics, social media graphics, and so on. You just pick what you're trying to do. So let's go for a social media graphic. I'm just going to put in some text. So you need to put in the main headline, subheadline. So let's put something in there. So what I've got there is I've got some demo text in there, and then you can put in either your name if it's applicable, or you can put in the company you're promoting or your own personal brand. So I'm going to just put in Live Good because it's the company I'm promoting. But in your case, you could put in your brand, your company, what you're promoting, the platform, your team name, your domain name, for example. You just put anything in there. You'll see how it comes out. It's pretty cool. And then I'm going to go something kind of take some primary color, maybe midnight black. I'll keep it at gold. And you've got some other symbols you can add in here. So knowledge, my wealth. Let's have some health related. So I'll put in dark and gritty or whatever. And then you generate the prompt. You copy to clipboard. And it's copied to clipboard. You go over to the AI image generator tool that you're using. Now, you can either add AI prompt enhancements, but you may not need that because it's already quite a good prompt. So all these were done with the prompt generator. So you can see some pretty powerful graphics, what I've done in the past. This is something I've done in the past. This one. So you can see there's some good images that it can create. This is pretty powerful. It's pretty cool. This is quite a nice one. So it does the text pretty well. There are tools out there, including this tool. You can actually click edit down here. I'll just move myself out of the way, but you can click edit and there are some tools that you can edit. You can remove text. If you're on the pro member of Canva, for example, you can actually use Canva AI tools to edit the text of your images. It does a pretty good job. But if you keep generating, you'll actually get perfectly what you need. This tool will actually do it pretty much all of it. So I'm going to go with Flux 1.1, which is probably their most powerful. I'm going to stick with Square, and I'm going to just generate about 4 graphics and see what it comes out with. Sometimes you might have to regenerate in case just to get what you want if it doesn't do it in a perfect way. Actually, I'm not sure. What did I select? Oh, that's all right. So yeah, that's pretty cool, you see. So yeah, it's got the Live Good at the top. But if it was your brand or your name or whatever, it's up to you. Or your platform or your team name. It says the wellness revolution. Are you ready to transform? It's got something health and wellness related, and funnel and modern displays. So it's pretty cool. This is done like a kind of a mock-up book design, which is interesting. You could actually rip out the background with the tools that you've got. It's actually got an edit thing where you can actually remove the background and then you can put another background in there. It's up to you. This is pretty cool. I mean, I like that. That's fantastic. Very, very nicely done. Good font. 90% of the time you'll get pretty much what you want. The text will look good. It's ready to post on social media. Let me just show you what else just quickly. So go to Flux. I like this one, the Podium. I often use Podium. It sort of raises things. So I'm going to keep it square, right? Let's generate, see what it comes out with. So yeah, let's have a look. So it's got the podium, looks pretty cool. And it's got the text. Sometimes the text doesn't look perfect, but you can adjust that sometimes. That's pretty cool. I mean, that's pretty much almost ready to go on social media. That's good. You can even, because it's done nicely, you can actually put it into Canva, and you can, if you want, you can overlay a screenshot just to take it a bit further. But that's actually brilliant. I mean, keeping it simple and it's uniform. And then you got this. The is a bit weird, but it actually somehow looks quite good with the... You could probably put that into Canva and do a similar thing. You can even take that out completely and then just redo the same font. But also the good thing about Canva is it has some AI tools for the pro version that can actually detect what font you're using. And then you can do some really good stuff. But that would be easy to fix in Canva. And if you wanted to add an overlay over that, like a screenshot or whatever, you can even put the Live Good products sort of overlaid in front of that if you wanted to, but they look pretty good. I like that. I actually like it as it's already got the Live Good thing there. You might just put like I don't know, like the pre-workout drink right there or whatever, or the, what do you call it? The essential aminos. This looks pretty similar. You could just put it straight in front and it goes nicely with the cup there. So you can go back in, you can tweak, you can save your prompts to your desktop, you can edit your prompts further in on your own text file. But check out my resources, check out what I'm doing, what I'm involved in, and hope we can partner up together. I like putting out a lot of tools. So go over to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel. That really helps the channel. My YouTube is down here, so you can check out my YouTube link there and so on. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, because I'm not really kind of like, I'm just giving away free stuff here, guys. I want to give out some value here. I hope you like what I put out there, but it just helps. And the more I get connected with you guys, the more I understand what you guys need. And I'll continue to put more stuff out there for you guys to help you to crush it in your online businesses. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. My name is Edward Keat. Subscribe to my channel. Look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.